On this, Governor Pritzker signed a bill into law to expand access, funding, and protections for abortion in Illinois.
The governor says Illinois is now the most progressive state in the nation when it comes to women's reproductive rights. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell is live in the State House. Mark, this comes at a time when the nation's debating abortion rights and restrictions.
Paul, good evening. And reaction is already catching on nationwide. Republicans are pointing to this new law in Illinois for fuel for their 2020 campaigns to try to win elections on Capitol Hill in Congress. But Democrats here in Illinois point to red state restrictions on abortions as their very motivation for why they passed this law in the first place, to make sure that no one could ever ban a woman from seeking an abortion in Illinois.
Abortion bans don't ban abortion. They just endanger women.
Governor J.B. Pritzker signed the Reproductive Health Act into law Wednesday morning, pushing the state farther left when others are moving right.
In a time when too many states across the nation are taking a step backward, Illinois is taking a giant step forward for women's health.
Other states are in a race to pass the most extreme restrictions and get those to the Supreme Court.
There is a war against women, a war on bodily autonomy.
House Democrat Kelly Cassidy led the charge in the House and said abortion opponents misconstrue and malign abortion with, quote, misogynist rhetoric.
At our very doorstep, in 11 days, the people of Missouri will find out if they will lose the only clinic in their state.
Missouri is one of several states with just one abortion clinic open. Pending a court ruling, it could be forced to shut down, making Missouri the first state in the nation without legal access to abortion in 46 years.
As a result, more and more Missouri women are being forced to travel to Illinois and to Kansas to exercise their rights and access care.
Several other Republican states across the country passed near total bans on abortion, putting strain on the landmark abortion case Roe v. Wade.
And the Reproductive Health Act ensures that women's rights in Illinois do not hinge on the fate of Roe v. Wade or the whims of an increasingly conservative Supreme Court in Washington. And in Illinois, we guarantee as a fundamental right a woman's right to choose.
A fundamental right, Governor Pritzker said. The Reproductive Health Act goes farther than HB 40, that controversial bill Governor Rauner signed. It goes farther than Roe versus Wade. It requires health insurance companies to provide access to abortion. It also blocks husbands from preventing their wives from seeking an abortion, and it assures doctors will not face any penalty for providing that procedure. Paul.
All right, Mark, thanks.